i ngā mana, i ngā reo, i ngā kārangatanga maha o te motu. To the many authorities, the many voices, multitudes across the land, nau mai whakatau mai ki tēnei pārongo o tāta, e pāna ki te hātepe o te ao kakauri. Welcome to this information video about the coronial process. You may be watching this video because someone you love has passed away, and it is likely that the coroner may want to investigate how and why your loved one has died. We are very sorry for your loss. This video is to guide you through what you can usually expect within the next 48 hours and help you decide the best options for you and your whānau. It's important to the coroner that they understand any cultural or spiritual needs you might have. Coroners are like judges. They are qualified lawyers who will look into unexpected, violent, or suspicious deaths to find out what happened. The law requires the New Zealand Police to attend all deaths that are sudden, unexplained, violent, medically unexpected, or happen in official care or custody. The police help the coroner investigate and understand the circumstances of the death. If you have any concerns or want any information passed on to the coroner, including any cultural preferences, please let the police know as soon as possible. Transportation will be arranged to move your loved one. Now, we understand that this can be a very distressing time, but rest assured that your loved one is in the best possible hands and the staff will ensure they are transported with the utmost care. Unfortunately, you cannot ride with your loved one, but you can follow behind in your personal vehicle. You can also request to view, touch, and remain near your loved one once they arrive. Let the police know and they will relay this information to the coroner. All viewings must be approved by the coroner, and sometimes a viewing is not possible. If this happens, the reasons will be explained to you. The National Initial Investigation Office, also known as the Duty Coroner's Office, will help guide you through what the next couple of days may look like. A coordinator from the Duty Coroner's Office will contact your whānau representative to discuss what will happen next. They may need some time to gather information relating to your loved one, so they may not call straight away. The coroner may decide a post-mortem is needed to help figure out why or how your loved one has died. A post-mortem, also known as an autopsy, is usually done at the nearest hospital that has a mortuary and a pathologist. In certain circumstances, your loved one may need to be relocated further, so a specialist pathologist can complete the post-mortem. The Duty Coroner's Office will make all these arrangements and let you know what's happening. There is no financial cost to the family if a post-mortem is carried out. Everyone will do their best to ensure that your loved one is returned to you as soon as possible. It will be explained to you if there are any delays, and you can call the Duty Coroner's Office if you have any questions or concerns. As whānau of the deceased, you have the right to object to a post-mortem and may ask for it to be done in a more culturally sensitive way. The only exception is if the death could be the result of a crime, and in this instance, a post-mortem cannot be objected to. If you are not comfortable with the post-mortem being carried out or want it to be done in a more culturally sensitive way, it's best to let the police know as soon as possible or notify the Duty Coroner's Office when they call. The coroner will consider your views and a coordinator will let you know of their decision. If you object to a post-mortem and aren't happy with the coroner's decision, you will have 48 hours to appeal to the High Court. If this happens, you may wish to speak to a lawyer about this. You will be notified when the coroner releases responsibility of your loved one. You and your whānau can decide together what you would like to happen next. You may wish to collect your loved one's body or choose to call a funeral director to do this. After the body is released, you'll be assigned a case manager to keep you and your whānau updated about what's happening. All groups and agencies involved in the coronial process are committed to providing a culturally considerate service that honours the cultural and spiritual needs of whānau wherever they can. There may be instances where the coroner cannot meet your cultural priorities. A coordinator will discuss this with you and answer any further questions you might have. We hope that this video has helped to outline what you might expect over the next couple of days. More information is available on the Coronial Services website, and the Duty Coroner's Office can answer any questions you might have. E mihi roi mata. E mihi aroha I te whānau pani. E mauana ngā kākahu whakataratara o te mate. Our deepest sympathy to you, the grieving whānau. adorned with the garments of mourning and loss.